How to find out which music you listen or who is the singer. Let's learn Shazam, app that recognizes songs by one click. Within seconds, you'll be presented with the song's title, artist, and other relevant details. It's like having a personal music detective in your pocket. Not only does Shazam work with songs on the radio, but it can also identify music from movies, TV shows, and commercials. Go to Google Play Store and find Shazam. Click on it and install. Open it. Allow Shazam to record video. Choose while using the app. Now I will play the song on my laptop. After few seconds I can see information about song like who is singer and what is the name of song. Now I will try again to see would it work again. As you can see, Shazam did the job again quick and easy. For more tutorials like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel.